Ano yun? First ball possession block. Ayan. Pull up. Basket. First blood. No basket. Atake Mendoza. Crossover move all the way to the hoop. Basket. Davis taas. Sige Kampong. Naitik sa baseline. And connects 2 points. Penetrate. Taas na niya ang perimeter. No basket. Kita ulit ang big man doon. Floater. Basket. Hit. Davis. Basket. Jersey number 9 to 1. Back to Davis. On top of the key. Connects 3 points. Shoot. Another attempt. Basket off the glass. Ayway. Sa Puti Kampong atake sa baseline. Fade away shot. Basket by Di Kampong. Aim for 3. Bounce in. Yan 7. Shait all the way coast to coast. Connects 2 points. Pass break niya. That's and shoot. No basket. And offensive rebound. Wala pa rin na pad-up shot. Denied by Di Kampong. Binasket yan. Nang-hasad si Mendoza ron. Drop pass lang turong Kales. Jersey number 9. Connects 2 points. Pakising ko. Inward pass. Layup. Connects 2 points. Kaya Mendoza. To Di Kampong. Penetrate Di Kampong. Lap. Basket. Sharif. Layup. Basket. Nahasal yun. Steal. Kaya Ocho. Catch and shoot. Basket. Jersey number 91. Walang depensa ron. Easy. Wala pa rin yan. Drop pass Laveria. Basket. Laveria. Teardrop. No basket. Kampong controls the ball. Pass to Mendoza. Layup. Off the glass. Connects 2 points. Penetrate Sharif. Layup. Connects 2 points. Takop, 8 seconds. Di Kampong. Penetrate all the way. Basket. Mendoza, aim for 3. Basket. End of the first period. Next arrow possession. Block. Davis receiving the ball. Para sa White. It's back to Mendoza. Catch and shoot. Basket. Iniwan sa Sharif. Nakita big man doon. Basket. Shot lock down to 10. Nakita Langi. Drop pass lang yung steal. By Mendoza. Crossover move all the way to the hoop basket. A series of crossover move by Mendoza. Naharas na yun. Steal. Pass break to Roncales yan. Drop pass to Mendoza. Basket. It's a 3-and-2 situation yan. Inward pass ay deflected ni Roncales yan. Pass to Davis. Atake Mendoza. Layup. No basket. Offensive rebound. Put back. Di Kampong. Connects 2 points. Fast turnaround shot. Basket. Big man. Tungkales. Atang sa baseline. Side step. Basket down. Pasaya kay Gusto. Hinaras ni Mendoza steal. Drop pass to Davis. Fakes and pop. Basket. Dying seconds. Pasaya kay Gusto. Shoot. And of the first half. Lock down by 4 points Sharif. Kapong, pinit. Takit rental, layup. Basket off the glass. Takit Sharif. Layup, basket. Pasok di Kampong. Dahil di Kampong, pull up. Basket. Mendoza. Nag-pass to di Kampong. Shoot. Wala pa rin follow-up shot. Hinaharap si di Kampong, atake Mendoza. Pull drop, basket. Nagpapambil si Kitain. Hinaharas na. Atake Mendoza, steal by Mendoza, pasok Mendoza rin sa lalim, basket. Side step, left drop pass lang yan Mendoza. Atake Mendoza, nakita sa Dikampong sa lalim. Connects 2 points. Atake Sharif, coast to coast, layup, basket. Sa white. Pass to Dikampong, catch and shoot, shoot. Offensive rebound, pull-up shot, basket. Tain. Pass to Claveria. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. Nakakuha pa rin yung Mendoza. Attack Mendoza sa lalim. No basket. Offensive rebound yan. It's a 3 and 1. Binalik ka sa 13. Kitain. Basket down. Davis, nakita si Dikampong. Penetrate Dikampong, pull up. No basket. Offensive rebound pa rin Dikampong. Another attempt, basket down. 2 points. Substitute. Wala. Ang bonus shot. Dikampong. Box out pa rin. No basket again. Claveria controls the ball. Pass break yan. Steal ni Marcial. Pass to Davis. Basket by Davis. Catch and shoot. Basket niya, maganda yun, no? So Dikampong, penetrate Dikampong, nalipit, switch back to Davis. Basket yan off the glass. With Davis. Layup. By Davis. Layup. No basket, offensive rebound. Tugtog sila mag-24. 3 points. Depende sa East. Dahil 7. Davis, aim for 3. No basket. The third period. Mendoza. Roncales. Atake ngayon, Sharif. No basket, offensive rebound. At pull back. Back to Maluk. Basket count. Atake Roncales. On the right wing. Short, aim for 3. Nakita na 7. Pull back. May 7. May 7. Pass break na yan to Roncales. Drop pass to Mendoza. Mendoza. So Mendoza again. Basket by Mendoza. For move all the way to the hoop. No basket. Defensive rebound na ang sa block. Pass break na yan to Sharif. Big and pop. Basket. other side. No basket. Nakakuha pa rin yan ng white. Pass to Davies. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. Paroso. Cross-court pass to Davies. Inward pass to Di Kampong. Pull up. Connects 2 points. David Davies. Layup. 2 points. Atake ngayon, Sharif. Basket count by Sharif. Atake Claveria. On top of the key. Connects 3 points. To Mendoza. Nakita si Davis sa low post. Basket by Davis. End of the ball game. End of the ball game.